Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $19.22. Okay, it is keep fluctuating. As you know that there is a red candle is forming. Okay, if you look at clearly, it has already made a high, which you can see a support which is already being a weak support at a level of $19.25. Okay, if we go on a 15 minutes chart, you will see clearly that this level, okay, this level has not come since, you can say, 5:45 since yesterday. Okay, now it is trading, now it went to a level of 1918 also. Okay, and chances will be high if it started going further low, we can see it will go further down, because as I've already explained you that if there is a zone breakout happening after a period of time, we can see a further upside or a downfall. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, looking at this particular chart, it is trading at a level of $19.07 now. A U pattern is forming. After that, I have already explained you that if the price fall below a level of 1959, chances are very high it will fall, and you can see this. Again, after this there is a pattern forming, and we can see that if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it will go towards 1911 after crossing a level of 1913, and from there a probability of going towards 1907, and then further down towards 1903. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain, let's see if the price move upside, because you have to understand that when somebody says that the market will go down or up, no, you have to rely on the chart, what is going on here. Okay, news can be manipulated, because in order that a big players are doing, they do these things. Okay, so probability is high, you have to understand, apply your own brain and go with the flow. Okay, go with the flow. That means that if the trend is downside, always remember that don't trade against the trend. That is very important. Okay, if the trend is overall down, try to trade on the sell side, but if it started going upside, try to do it on the upper side if you are holding a day wise. Okay, but if you are doing intraday, then you have to be careful, because the market is very volatile. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, it can go towards its next resistance of $1920.04. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, a probability of crossing a level of around 1922 is there. Okay, this 1922 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross a level of around $1925.84. That is already a weak resistance, so chances are high it will go towards a level of around $1930.84. Okay, and once the price sustain above this level, chances of going towards a level of around $1932.5 is there, and if the price move above this level, a probability of crossing a level of around $1938.5 is this $1938.5 is a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that particular zone, and the probability of crossing a level of 1946 will also be there, because that is also being tested. So chances are high it will cross that particular zone, and a probability of going towards a level of around 1956 is there. Okay, and then we will see a further upside. Okay, now understand something, because market is always uncertain. Okay, the market is always uncertain, so you have to remember, always try to put your SL, okay, and trailing SL. What is the benefit of this? The benefit is that you will save your capital with SL, and trailing SL, what you will do, you will save your profit. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it will go towards its next support at a level of around $1917.97. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, we will see it will go further down towards a level of around $1912.6, which is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will go further down, and chances of going towards 1911 is there, because there is a trend, you can say, as soon as it started falling below 1911, chances of going towards a level of 1907.24 is there, and if the price fall below this level, we can see it will go further low, and we we can see a level of 1904 to a level of 1903. If the price fall below this level, we can see it will touch a level of around $1898, and from there a probability of touching a level of 1896. Okay, and once the price fall below this level, we can see it will go further down and can touch a level of $1884. That is already being a weak support, so chances of falling further low we can see, because and this level we will not have not seen since second week of March, so chances will be high as soon as it started falling below 1900, a further fall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.